What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Hope we're all having a great day as always. And we're doing a little bit of a later upload tonight. Just want to make a quick update about future BMW maintenance and modifications. Got a few things ordered. I'm awaiting one thing, which kind of holds back everything, unfortunately. I'll just go ahead and show you and talk about what is planned for the X5. So first thing, this is a inline 6 twin turbo diesel motor. It's the M57 in the X5s and 335Ds, and it has all the factory emission stuff. And one of the first things that I want to delete from the vehicle is the EGR, and I'm going to go ahead and replace it with the Tune by Euro EGR race pipe, which that's a billet aluminum piece here that attaches to the throttle body, which is not actually a throttle body because it's a diesel, it's an ASV technically. And these are the two plates right here, the actual EGR block off plates. So that is ordered, well, that is here, I have it. And then next thing, this is the part I'm waiting for. These are the swirl flap delete, and what this does is it's inside the intake right before it reaches the head of the motor, and these flaps inside the intake, and depending on throttle position, they open and close, and they create a swirl effect inside the intake. And basically it's supposed to create more torque down low, but over time the bolts will fall off, and supposedly they might fall into the intake and get sucked into the motor, and we don't want that to happen. So that is the last thing I'm waiting for. Other things I'm waiting, well, I'm going to do shortly. I've got a vacuum hose that is I need to do that. I've got an oil line. This is the oil line that feeds the small turbo. And I've also got a ground cable, which these can fail over time, and it can create a no start condition of the vehicle, and I do not want that to happen. So I figured I can go ahead and preventively maintenance that. That's pretty much it. I do have to purchase a tune for the vehicle. That is the most expensive thing, and I'm kind of holding off on that, but some of these things you can do without a tune, so I'm going to go ahead and do that pretty soon, hopefully. So yeah, I just want to give that little bit of an update. I'm pretty pumped for it. I'm excited, and yeah, I honestly just want to crank out some more videos so I can get more subscribers, because subscribe, please. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. I might try to film some of the things I do over the weekends and stuff, so look forward for those videos. They might just be vlogs of working on the BMW. So alright, I'll see you guys in the next video. See you later.